Hi viewers, welcome back to Anno Space. Guys, I have missed you all. So guys, today I have this product that I want to share with you and how you can use it to enhance your blessings, how you can use it to achieve your business goal, like attracting customers. This particular product or these products, they are designed by the special grace of God, being consecrated with prayers, fasting, and you know, um, giving hand to the handicaps just to make the product to be very, very spiritually effective for the purpose in which you are using it for. But before I go into that video, I want to use this great, wonderful privilege to thank all my returning subscribers. You guys are wonderful. I miss you all and I appreciate all your efforts towards the channel. May God Almighty bless you. And for those of you who are just joining us for the first time, this is Anno Space, where we review spiritual products and how we can use them to enhance your blessing and put the devil and their enemies into shame by the special grace of God. So I have these two products that I want to review. Okay, so guys, these are the products. Here I have my Ocho cleansing powder. This is blockage cleansing powder. You understand? Blockage cleansing powder. We call it Ocho cleansing powder. This remove every negativity out from your life. For example, spiritual products, since you started using spiritual products, no spiritual product has ever worked for you. Guys, you need this Ocean cleansing powder. This is not every other cleansing, spiritual cleansing powder you see on the market. This is a spiritual cleansing powder that takes care of both making spiritual products work for you. It takes care of removing any negative energy and it attracts customers to your shop. Okay, it also serves as a kind of crowd puller. But before it will start working for you as a crowd puller, you must have to use it for 7 days. So it's very effective removing any kind of spiritual blockage on your way and things that always make spiritual products not to work in your life. Okay, so get this. It is available to purchase. All you have to do is to WhatsApp me on this number 090 59825779. You are to use this every morning before you go to your shop where you are selling. You are to use it every morning. Okay, so it's very, very effective. When you use it, you said Ocho and Oracle, leave me alone. By God's grace, those things will leave you alone. Okay, and you will prosper. All right, so use it every morning for 7 days, and within the 7 days, guys, you will be amazed and surprised how this product will work for you, how God will use this product to open every block road out from your way, and you will be set free. Okay, so that is number one product. The number two product is this. This is my own product, the product I produce all by myself. Okay, so this product is a crowd puller powder, especially made with different types of spiritual herbs. As you can see, let me open it so that you will see. Okay, can you see the green part of this? This is made with nature. This is leaves. I use more than 21 different types of spiritual leaf. The leaf that God created to produce this. And I have fasted on it. I have done some saraka concerning this and also some fasting on this. So it is designed for what? For crowd puller in your business. Whether you are into online business or offline business, you want customers to keep on coming. You want whatever you are doing to do what? To be fruitful. You want people to always patronize you. Okay? You're not removal. Please get this. Get this. Okay? And it's very affordable. Just this is 15,000 naira. Okay? And you can, I mean, it doesn't kill. It is help. As you can see, it is help. So look at it. All you have to do is to use your middle finger hand and this particular one, no, this one here and this one, each do that to fetch it, and then you put it in your mouth. You use water to drink it, or if you don't like it, but it tastes nice, although it tastes nice, you can as well use original honey. I sell original honey. There is no other place that you get original honey apart from my hand. Okay, so do not forget I ship worldwide. Okay, so all of these products that I always review here in this channel can be shipped to you if you're watching me from abroad and you want to get them. Okay, so guys, that is the end of this video. So my next video, I will be sharing with you some leaves that that you have seen, and you know that okay, you have known this leaf. So on my next video I will show you how you can use those leaves, like bitter leaf and scent leaf and lemongrass too, to also enhance your spiritual life. Okay, so if you want to learn, please keep on watching and do not forget to subscribe. Okay, be part of this beautiful and amazing family. Subscribe, like this video, share this with guys. Let's hit that 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch hour, guys. If you guys want me to be in this platform, please, 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 okay, please share this video. The more you share, the more people are coming, the more people are getting to know us. Okay, and we'll be permanent by the special grace of God here on YouTube space. Okay, thank you for watching. Like this video. Let's YouTube recommend this video for me. I love you all. See you on my next video. They have a lovely afternoon. Bye.